Hello everyone. Uh, I am Hello everyone. Myself Priyanshu Sharma, a second year student from MEMS department, and today we are presenting some solution over towards circular economy of wood industry, from linear to circular economy. Uh, First of all, we would like to know what is this circular economy, and how is it introduced in a wood industry, mostly like IKEA companies. The wood industry plays a significant role in. First of all, the wood industry plays a significant role in economic development. As you know, we are basically surrounded by wood. Transitioning from a linear to a circular economy is crucial for sustainability. As you all know, circular economy is basically nothing but following three R's, which we would be discussing further down the slides. So, and the linear economy is also would be discussing. Circular economy aims to minimize waste and maximize resource efficiency. That originally the main motive of our economy, circular economy. So now we would be explaining what is actually a linear economy, and what is its effect in wood industry, and uh, the towards sustainability. Traditional linear economy in the wood industry follows a linear flow of extraction, production, and disposal. Basically, the linear economy means what we extract, what we get from the nature, we process it, we manufacture something, and after the use of those products, we dispose it. And the reason for the uh, economic disturbance and ecology disturbance too is the lies in this linear economy, to follow this linear path. This approach leads to resource depletion, first of all, and environmental degradation. So as we dispose those products, it leads to degradation, and also since we are continuously exploiting the resources, so this would lead to resource depletion, of course. Linear economy focuses on short term profits rather than long term sustainability. So these kind of industry who follow linear economy, they just see the short term of profit. They do not see long term profit, like what would be its effect on long term climate change and all. So now we would be discussing about circular economy, what is it and how it affects. Circular economy promotes sustainable forest management and responsible sourcing. It encourages recycling and reuse of wood products, reducing waste. Circular economy creates economic opportunities such as job creation and new market development. This line is very important in our slide, as it creates, following a circular economy would create so much of opportunity, and for our economic development too, as we would be following three R's. It would need the company to hire some more man force to apply those kind of ideas of three R's. So it would create opportunities and job opportunities, and it would lead to some new market development. So basically, these are the three R's: recycle, reuse. Uh, Two of the three R's are here: recycling and reuse. Closed loop system in wood industry. Closed loop systems aim to keep resources in use for as long as possible. Since the it closed loop follows three R's, it contains one of the important R, that is reuse. By reusing the resources, we keep on using the same resource, and by recycling them, of course, to as long as possible, to create a minimum of those waste which we were producing earlier by following a linear path system. Wood waste can be repurposed into biomass energy, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. So this point explains the actual solution to the resource of to the exploitation of resource. We can create energy from those things which we use to dump and waste. this wood waste can be reproduced, can be furnished to create biomass energy, uh, and this would reduce also our reliance on fossil fuels. Closed loop systems minimize the need for virgin wood extraction, preserving forests. So since it follows recycling and reusing, it would obviously affect the preservance of the forest wood, and obviously we would then be more concerning towards what actually the climate change is, since cutting down forest is a uh, major reason behind those exploitation towards nature. Product life extension in the wood industry. uh, Extending the life of wood products through repair and maintenance reduces the demand of new products. Since we extend the life of products, we reconsider the use of products in the market. This reduces the demand of new products, this reduces the demand of new woods, this conserves woods, this conserves our nature, this conserves trees in the forest. Designing products for disassembly and easy repair allows for efficient resource recovery. We were talking about recovery of those resources in our earlier slide. This is how we're gonna recover those slides. We would disassemble the used part, we would repair those used parts, and then we would efficiently deploy those parts where it is necessary, employing less use of employing less wastage of those parts, those used parts. Promoting the reuse of wood products through second hand markets contributes to a circular economy. This is how the system works, the circular economy works. Recycling and material recovery in the wood industry. So how we gonna suppose to get the actual material for recovery? Wood waste can be recycled into new wood products such as composite materials for in engineered wood. This would create, as I said earlier, this would create new job opportunities and a new approach for industries to look upon those mistakes which they were doing by following linear path. Recovered food fibers can be used to produce paper and packaging materials. Advanced technologies allow for the separation and recycling of food components. So basically, converting a linear path system to a circular path system would a circular economy system would would create a change in a foundation level. This would revolutionize the industry, how they think, how they see towards climate climate uh, climate problems. Collaboration and partnership for circular economy. Collaboration between stakeholders including government, industry and consumers is essential for a successful transition. So not only uh, for adapting circular economy completely, not only companies play a pivotal role, but stakeholders, government and consumers also play a pivotal role. So basically, if company starts to following the circular economy, the government, the stakeholders, the consumers has to respond towards it in a positive way, such that company keeps on creating those kind of things to promote circular economy. And basically they need a motivation. Why would they do it? So stakeholders and we consumers plays a important role towards it. Partnership with research institution and NGOs facilitate innovation and knowledge exchange. So uh, as we saw earlier that this would need a lot of technological improvements and lot of technological power. So partnership with research institutions and NGOs for marketing those ideas, marketing and ideating those ideas would be great for the industry which is following the circular economy. Engaging consumers through awareness campaigns. So basically these would be done by the partnership between the company and NGO for the awareness campaigns. campaigns and can drive demand for sustainable food products policy. So now we're going to talk about the policy and regulatory framework supporting circular economy. How the government gonna create a policy and ensure that the circular economy is being followed. Governments can implement policies and regulations that promote sustainable forest management, resource responsible sourcing, extended producer responsibility. Programs can incentivize companies to take responsibility for the entire life cycle of their products. Tax incentives and subsidies can encourage investment in circular economy practices. These are the ways governments would be affecting the use of circular economy for an industry. So government can produce these kind of policies so that companies take responsibilities for their product. Companies do not avoid making a reusable recyclable products, so that they would there wouldn't be any chance of escaping. Tax incentives and subsidies can encourage investment in circular economy practice. So tax incentives and subsidies can would be encouraging for investors, stakeholders, and we consumers too. This is how government would play their part in creating a circular economy. Challenges and barriers in transitioning to circular economy. So now we would be discussing about what are the challenges and barriers towards circular economies. Lack of awareness. First of all, there's a lot of lack of awareness about this. How actually most of us don't even understand what is circular economy. So the awareness would be if the awareness would be there in the society, that would be a much of the help for the company. Lack of awareness and understanding of circular economy principle among stakeholders. Economic challenges in the transition process, such as initial investment cost and market uncertainties, resistance to change from traditional linear economic practices. So we as a human would rely on uh, traditional traditional resources, traditional way of making things, much more than being creative and adapt new changes. So this is one of the traits of human beings, so we should overcome those traits and adapt new possible ways to change our mother earth. Success stories and best practices in the wood industry. Forest Stewardship Council FSC certification promotes sustainable forest management and responsible sourcing. Companies adopting closed loop systems such as IKEA, the company which this slide is actually inspired. IKEA's circular economy initiative showcase the potential of circular economy in the wood industry. Innovative technologies like 3D printing with wood-based materials demonstrate the possibilities for sustainable product development. This can be a motivating for these stories can be motivating for other industry to follow circular economy and practice circular economy rather than a linear economy. Further, future outlook and opportunities in the wood industry. Advancements in technology and innovation will drive the development of sustainable wood products and circular economy practices. Circular economy in the wood industry contributes to the overall transition towards a more sustainable and circular global economy. So basically, we are at the conclusion of our topic. That is, transitioning from a linear to a circular economy in the wood industry is crucial for sustainability. Absolutely correct. Circular economy practices can minimize waste, maximize resource efficiency, and create economic opportunities. Collaboration, policy support, and innovation are key to achieving a successful transition. Thank you.
भाई
क्या
भाई भाई भी आ गया इसमें अब एडिट